first good buck in Georgia.
We just now entered the lair of the bully. I'm still a little shaky.
No.
Can't beat it. Cannot beat it at all.
Holy cow. Pretty dang cool right there.
And deer season's almost here in Georgia. We're excited, getting ready. I'm out here at my lease today, getting a couple cameras set up, trying to kind of see what bucks we got running around this year. But man, we had a phenomenal year last year, and looking forward to seeing what happens this year. And we just had a phenomenal year in Georgia last year between me, Tyler, Pitts. It was just a good year. You know, it was exciting coming off of Nebraska, having a phenomenal hunt out there. You know, it's just a total team effort between everybody. And what a lot of people don't know is Pitts hunts the property that's the south bordering property of Realtree Farms. And so out there, they're on the same management plan, putting in a ton of work. And it really is a team effort between, you know, me, Tyler, Pitts, everybody that hunts there, and all the farm managers, just to create a, you know, a really good hunting environment between summertime protein feeding and putting in food plots and managing the native habitat. It really is just it's a lot of work that goes into it. But you know, coming off that Nebraska hunt, we're all excited to get back, and Pitts already had his eye on a big old bully buck that he was hunting.
Well, we just now entered the lair of the bully. These deer typically come from the west side over here, and they come down to this creek and across. They got everything they need right down here. There's a lot of bedding area back there. They got water. They got multiple white oak acorns in here that are just starting to drop. So we're looking pretty good. We're back in here, night 2, here in Georgia. Really good weather tonight, clear skies right now. Winds out of the southwest. We had a southeast last night. Southwest, I think, is actually going to be better for us in here. We're hunting the deer that we call the hay blower buck. We probably didn't do a great job of explaining what happened in here last night, but there were so many deer in here that Bryan and I mean, there was a time, I don't think we talked for 2 hours. And there was one buck that the hay blower buck was traveling with this summer. He's a really cool deer. He did come in here last night, and I tell you, if it wasn't for the bigger buck, I mean, I would love to have taken that deer too. He's really nice, a management deer, but he's old. Just a really cool looking buck. Bear. Give me some of that. I'm still a little shaky. That was the bully, baby. That was the bully. Heck yeah. Man, it's been kind of a weird evening down in here. The wind's kind of been shifting on us. You hear deer blowing right now, but
It's been kind of sketchy. Deer been acting funny, but right here at dark, the bully shows up, and you will notice his enormous body. I'm pumped. One, we got us good deer, and two, the bully is out of here forever. Tag 1 filled. Oh, I'm gonna text Tyler now.
We just got an update from our buddy Vince. He's got a deer down tonight. I'm so pumped for him. It's a deer that I know he's had some history with. That's awesome. Somebody's on the board in Georgia. I'm glad it's him. Can't wait to see him in a little bit.
He's down there.
Yeah, he's
Awesome, man. You did awesome too. Dude, that was awesome. That was really good.
If it wasn't for him saying he's coming right to us, I would have been on the opposite deer.
Yeah.
yeah. Because he said he's heading right now. My deer was facing left, and I was like, we're on the wrong deer. And I said, no, he's coming straight at us. And so he panned over to him, and it all happened so quick. Because he's right here. I gotta get my pack picked up too. I feel like I'm in high school every time I put a backpack on. Going back to school. All right, let's go this way. Get my bearings. Oh, that is the brush pile.
Where's he at?
What I'm wondering. I think he's back that way. Y'all see him? Where is he?
No, I ain't seen him. I don't even know where I'm at right now, Fitz.
All these lights are, I can't even see.
Blinded by the light.
You sure he went down?
Y'all are looking at him somewhere.
No, I don't see him. This light in my face, I can't even see. Oh boy. What are we in for, Blake? You know where he is?
No, really. I have no clue.
Where's the stand? You have no idea where the...
Stands this way. follow the stream, go to the creek.
Oh,
Stands
no.
on the other side of the creek.
Now we're on the right
Yeah,
trail.
It just took a minute. Bunch of blood.
Look out for the spider web right there. You good?
Is there?
No, you good.
Am I good?
No, well, you pretty much got in it.
Did I?
Yeah, it's all right.
Oh man, I hate spiders. I hate spiders. He's gotta be right here. Where? Right here. Oh, he stumbled back. There he is, right there. Golly. He took a hard left at Albuquerque.
Well,
Oh man. Whew. There he is, boys.
that's a tank.
I'm telling you.
He is a tank.
I'm telling you.
Congrats, man. That's awesome.
Dude,
Very cool. The bully is dead.
the bully is down. 3 years of watching this deer bully everything around. And he is toast. But he's cool. He's got a little kicker off the base back there. Got a little bit of a point. Looked like he broke off right there. It was kind of like jagged teeth, if I remember correctly from the pictures. But man, I can't be more happy. He played the script, and it was a good hunt. It was kind of a weird hunt because Tyler and them had the same problem, a deer just kind of being on edge. But when he came in with authority. Just unreal. Amazing hunt. Realtree road trip's off to a good start. Can't beat it. Cannot beat it at all. I love it. Oh yeah. Crazy old deer. He's got some kickers off the front there too.
Man, it's so rewarding when you get out here and put the work in, put the sweat equity in by yourself. I'll tell you one thing, I mean, Monster Mill's been just a critical part of our success the last couple of years. So this is the 4th year we've been feeding Monster Mill between minerals and protein and attractant, and it's I mean, the proof's in the pudding, you know, going into October, we were starting to have some pretty good weather, and kind of getting into the later part of the months and a little bit of rut activity starting. And for me, it was like the quest to finally kill a good deer in Georgia. I've grown up in Georgia all my life, and never killed a good deer there. I've killed a couple small bucks when I was younger, but you know, going into late October, JJ, one of our farm managers, had seen a really nice buck at 10 Point, and he was telling me about this beautiful hardwood ridge littered with acorns, and he said, man, you need to go up in there and get in a tree saddle and try it out. So that's exactly what I did. I slipped up in there one morning before daylight, got up in there in my tree saddle, and ended up being a pretty good hunt.
Saturday, October 29th. It's about 7:45. Just slipped up into a new set. I've never sat in here before. This spot is like a hardwood ridge that kind of runs through here. All kind of white oaks dropping like rain in here. So it's real beautiful in here. I mean, the colors of the leaves are just starting to turn. We'll see what we see. I did bust one doe. One doe ran out of here as I was walking, and I was getting in here a little bit late. Neat thing about it is I've never even been to this spot before. But JJ just sent me a waypoint on Onyx, and I downloaded it to my map, and I was able to come straight to it in the dark. So that's the cool thing about having Onyx and being able to share that information with your hunting buddies. Shook up. I could hear something walking behind me. And I turned around and he's right here, probably 35 yards. And I tried to get my bow and get turned around, and about that time he hit my wind. I could have seen him coming. I think maybe I'd have been able to get turned around on him, but he was in the worst spot for me to shoot. Dang it. Dang it. That's a good sign, though.
Oh my God. I can't believe it. I can't believe what just happened. 8 yards. I just watched him go down. First good buck in Georgia. That was just meant to be right there. There's no other way to say it than that was just meant to be. It's been a couple weeks hunting hard.
Holy cow. Dude. Holy cow.
What do you think?
Yeah, that's a giant. It's a great
He's been rubbing. Dude.
What is it, a 10?
He's a 10, yeah. I don't know that we got this deer on camera. To be honest with you, I don't know if we do. Golly, man. He's got awesome mass. A little bit of trash right here. Just a giant. Just a Georgia giant. Yeah, he's old. Georgia giant. October 29th. It seems like the last couple days that everything's kind of changed a lot. The deer started cruising. I can't thank Bill and Tyler enough. I've put in a pretty good bit of hard work the last couple weeks hunting. Once we got hay blower down, Tyler's kind of giving me free reign of everything. So I've been working with JJ, just trying to scout, look at cameras, and I can't thank Mr. Bill and Tyler enough for giving me the opportunity. I could have never dreamed this one up, especially how it happened this morning.
I got a good name for this buck.
What's the name?
Bryan's last buck from Realtree Farm.
Hey, I'll take it.
Bryan's last buck.
Brian's first,
You had a good first and last
Brian's
buck.
first and only buck.
You had a good run.
This is definitely going to get me kicked off the farm.
Oh, you kicked off. You're done.
I'm done.
Hope you like that lease.